ask you, Sterling, have you ever banged the word butt?
I would never type in butt on there.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what, I would, okay? And I was just thinking, to myself, what on earth would happen if I just put in the words, butt rocket? Well, I banged it, and this is what happened.
I want to see it. I'm not lighting. Dude, it's an ass. Don't hold it with your hand. Wait, make sure it balances first.
You are not cool for holding these feet.
That's gross.
Oh man, he pooped on my shirt.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Oh, look at the panic. Look at this panic art. Look at this panic art. Okay, hold on. This is an honest question. Hold on. This is an honest question.
He pooped on my hand.
It had to be pretty deep.
Why are my underwear showing?
Through all the rocket power, and it still didn't go out. Like, you tell me, this is very strange. Go ahead. But make sure it balances first. Make sure it balances. Squeeze your sack up. Squeeze your sack up so it balances first, okay? Wow, go ahead. I'm telling you right now, search and search and search, being anything that comes to your head, because you never know what you're going to find. Well, that's it for this episode of Ridiculousness. I would like to thank Stilo Bram, Chanel West Coast, and the one and only Travis Pastrana. Thanks for coming out.